So many people out there are not able to start anything because they are afraid of being a mediocre. Oh, but I am just an average person, nothing extraordinary. I am not so good at it. They would self deprecate to a point where they start feeling scared of even starting things because they know they are already going to be bad at it. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Safe Space with Soumya. I am your host, and today we are going to talk about a very common issue that you and I and almost everyone faces, the fear of being an average person. Now, before we talk about anything else, I want to ask you a simple question. Do you expect yourself to be excellent at anything without being terrible at it first? You know what James Clear says in his book Atomic Habits? You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Here, the word system means your rituals, your routines, your behavior, and all of your habits that shape your life. So, it is never about having the perfect start, but it is always about showing up consistently, even when you are aware of the fact that you are not good at anything. So, that feeling of cringe before starting anything, it is actually a signal telling you that you are on the path of becoming something. Here's one smart habit that I pulled from Atomic Habits and Mindset by Carol Dweck, and I've applied this for n number of times in my life and yielded good results. Commit to a repetition goal and not a result goal. Instead of saying, I want to be good at art, say, I will make 100 bad sketches for the next 30 days. Here you are aiming for repetition and not perfection from the starting itself. What will happen is your quantity will eventually lead to quality. Your art will actually lead to good art. And this is how every master eventually gets there. The second thing you can do is detach yourself from the outcomes. Ryan Holiday in the book Ego is the Enemy says, you are not your work, you are your effort. Practice doing creative work without actually signing your name on it. Post anonymously, post on random handles without seeking the validation for yourself. How this helps? This actually trains your ego to let go of the need to be seen as good. This unlocks experimentation to progress. The last thing is rewriting what the word mediocre means for you. See, if you look at its literal meaning, it means the middle point of something. It is the valley between idea and impact. It is somewhere in between bad and best. How this helps? It gives a different meaning to the mediocrity phase. Instead of making it a verdict about you, it actually makes it a path that you can traverse. So, being mid is not a part of failure, it is just the stage one. And if you somehow survive that stage one, you've already beaten up 90% of the people who are not even able to start. So, start cringe, start if you are scared, but just start. And rest of the things will flow just if you let them. That's all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed our little pep talk session, and I hope that I was able to help you in some way or the other. I make videos related to little struggles that you and I face in everyday life, and if this video resonated with you, please give it a subscribe, like it, and share your thoughts in the comments down below. I am new to this, so I really need your support. Thank you. I will see you in the next video soon.